guys, welcome to our channel Azra and Afra in Wonderland. Today we are going to make VADA and sweet Pongal with my mother. Sweet Pongal is the traditional food of South India and a popular food. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comments, ring the bell for receiving notification. Last video's question answer is octopus. So let's start. First we'll start the sweet Pongal. Jaggery, moong dal, raw rice, cashew nuts, dry grapes, ghee. These are the ingredients. First, fry the moong dal for 2 to 3 minutes. Filter rice and add it to the cooker. Add 3 cups of water and 1 cup of milk. Add the moong dal and wash them. Close the lid and keep it for 3 whistles. Now take off the lid and add melted jaggery and ghee. Add cashew nuts and dry grapes. Add little salt. Cardamom powder. Mix it well. Now the pongal is ready. First soak the urad dal for 3 to 4 hours and then filter the water. Then add little water and grind it well. The ingredients are chopped green chili, chopped onion, fresh coriander leaves, crushed pepper, ginger garlic paste and salt. Now add all the ingredients to the mixture. Mix it well. Now heat the oil and keep the flame in medium. Next, deep fry the VADA. VADA is ready. Keep it in a plate and let it cool down. Repeat the same. Finally, vada and sweet pongal is ready. So let's taste the vada first. It's really nice and yummy. Try it in your home, you will like it. So let's taste the sweet pongal now. It's awesome. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, ring the bell for receive notification. The vada and sweet pongal was really nice. Happy Pongal to you all. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comments, ring the bell for receive notification. Today's question is, which is the largest building in the world? If you know the answer, you can tell it in the comments below. Bye.